Hey there, it's Mahesh and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a website that's been making some bold claims, MoneyEasily. Now, before you consider signing up or investing your time, stick around because we are going to uncover the truth behind this platform. But before we get into it, if you are really interested in a legitimate way to make money online, I've got a link below to my favorite strategy. Please go check out and get registered if you're interested. And it has helped me and many other earn from around $5,000 to $10,000 a month, all from the comfort of home. And also, if you stick to this video till the end, I'm about to give you a $97 bonus absolutely for free. Now let's get back to MoneyEasily. I've reviewed this site before, but they keep changing their URL. Currently using variations like moneyeasily.xyz or ABC or anything. They have changed it. Earlier it was something else. Now it's showing like other URL. This is a classic tactic when red flags start popping up and people catch on the fact that the site might not be entirely above board. So what's MoneyEasily claiming to be? It's presenting itself as a GPT, get paid to style website where users get compensated for completing various tasks. Now, legitimate GPT sites do exist, such as Price Rebel and Swagbucks, but here's where MoneyEasily raises suspicion. They are offering an extravagant $25 bonus just for signing up, and they claim that 80% of users can withdraw more than a $200 bonus on the day of registration. These figures are way above industry averages and set off major alarm bells. Legitimate sites typically offer bonus around $5, and even the most active users on reputable platforms might earn around $50 to $150 in a month. So the question is, can MoneyEasily really deliver on these sky-high promises? Let's dive into the website itself. Signing up is seamlessly easy, but here's where it gets tricky. They suggest you can make money by just completing simple surveys and recommending applications, offering a whopping $20 for each app recommendations. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it probably is. Most survey sites pay between 20 cents to $2 per survey. If MoneyEasily claims you can make $200 in a day, that would mean completing an unrealistic number of surveys. Legitimate sites don't work that way. With limited surveys availability and pre-qualification requirements, they work. The website also claims you can receive payments through PayPal, Cash App, and more. But can you really trust them to pay out? Let's explore further. As we scroll through the site, we find income proofs and testimonials. However, this can be easily doctored. And the numbers they are showing, like $2,000 from surveys and app recommendations, rise eyebrows. It's simply not in the lane with the reality of legitimate GPT sites. Now let's talk about the TrustPilot reviews displayed on the website. We find only around 116 reviews with a 1.9 star rating. This inconsistency is a glaring red flag. And here's the kicker. MoneyEasily seems to be more about information harvesting than paying users. When you click to join, they want your personal details like your name, username, email, and password. This sets off alarm bells because they could potentially sell this information on the black market for malicious purposes. Now, you might be wondering why they bother creating a seemingly elaborated scam. It's simple. Information is power, and your personal data is valuable. By presenting an enticing opportunity to make money, they lure you in to gather your sensitive information. So to wrap it up, be cautious and steer clear of MoneyEasily or any of its iterations, such as moneyeasily.xyz or moneyeasily.bhy. Instead, consider exploring legitimate GPT sites like Price Rebel and Swagbucks for a more realistic and trustworthy experience. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. And guys, as I promised you, I would be giving away a $97 bonus. As you can see on the screen, the program name is called the Stasho method, which is got listed on Digistore24, and there we are selling it for $20. It's my own program, to be honest. We are selling it for $20 over there, but in future we are about to sell it for $97. And the exact same program I'm about to give you absolutely for free. For that purpose, you need to get registered to the same link in the description, first link in the description. So after you get registered, we would be sending you an email by end of the day with access, password, and everything what required to access this program. Alright guys, and if you are really serious about making money online, as I said, you check out my favorite strategy by clicking the first link in the description down below. Get registered for the bonus. It's a genuine opportunity for beginners to start earning around $5,000 to $10,000 a month. So don't miss this opportunity. Alright guys, if you found this review helpful, then I request you to please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any next notification. Why? Because I keep on reviewing internet marketing products, as well as I help people to make money through online with the strategies that work for me. Alright, I have created 3 different playlists. One is for affiliate marketing, other one is for internet product reviews, and the last one is for the stasher method, the bonus which I'm giving you away, right? For that purpose, I've created some informational videos. So you can please do subscribe, and I will be catching you in the next video. Alright folks, that's a wrap on the Money Easily scam. Stay informed, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.